let's have a look at some Dinosaur in my Slimy surprise eggs. Spot picked up a green one as well as a pink surprise dinosaur egg. It comes to us from the folks over at Slimy and it's recommended for ages 3 and up. The label is really cool because it's got a cracked egg and you can see a little dinosaur peeking inside. But first, let's remove the packaging that's around the eggs. Don't forget the pink one. The eggs are pretty cool because they got all these little speckles all over them. It kind of makes them look like real eggs. Okay, here we go. Let's crack open the first egg and see what we got inside. I have no idea actually what's inside this egg, so it's going to be a surprise to me as well. Spot's being ridiculous. You actually have to open it from the underside. You just take that off like so. And inside you've got some really slimy slime. Let's see how slimy this slime actually is. I'm just going to put my hand underneath it and watch the slime all pour out. It's almost there. This would probably be something that you'd want to plate or something that you could dump the slime into, but I feel inside, there he is, there's a little dinosaur inside this slime. Can you guess what dinosaur that is? If you guessed the Triceratops, you would be right. Pretty neat looking color on the Triceratops, it's all blue, a little bit of red going on the top there as well. Okay, so now let's see what's inside the pink egg. And this time again, we gotta pop the bottom off. Don't turn it. Spot was being ridiculous, but ooh, this one's got a bright pink colored slime. The slime is very, very sticky and thick. I would say make sure you don't get this all over your couch, chair, your rug at home. Your parents aren't gonna like that. Mom's gonna be a little angry. So make sure you put it in an area, make sure you open it up in an area where you're not gonna get this slime everywhere. But I see a dinosaur, he's in there somewhere. Ew, look how slimy this slime is. And there's the dinosaur that came out of the pink egg. It's kind of got some scales, and it's got a couple of spikes on the top of its back. I'm not really sure what kind of dinosaur this is. Maybe you know though. There's the two dinosaurs that we got. The one from the pink and the one from the green. And this one actually is probably my favorite. Did you actually know that the Triceratops is Spot's favorite dinosaur? It is, it's true. Today we were opening up some Dinosaur in my Slimy little collectible dinosaurs. If you guys like these videos, make sure you subscribe for more.